Hello, I'm Maritza, and in today's video I will be sharing with you the October 2022 Teacher Care Crate theme and all the goodies that are inside, as well as the digital downloads for this month. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing you will find in your Care Crate is the info card. The info card has all of the information on what's inside, as well as the theme for this month, with details about each item and a QR code. If you are a subscriber, you can get access to all the digital downloads. The theme for this month is good vibes. It's all about promoting the items that are inside, are promoting a good vibe and state of mind, giving you all the good feels and that others want to crave your good vibe. Let's go ahead and jump right into what you will find in your Care Crate for this month. The first thing I have here is the art print. The art print for this month is Sprinkle a Little Kindness Wherever You Go and comes in 2 different color designs. This is by Little Stone Middles. The next thing I have is a baby face peel mask, and it's a skin reboot, purifying and rejuvenating. It only takes 1 minute to use, very easy. The next thing I have here is the phone lanyard. The phone lanyard, there is a short video if you are interested in learning how to use it. Very easy to use. On our social media platforms, you can see exactly how to apply it to your phone. It comes in 2-tone beads, and then the white bead says teach and has a smiley face as well on the other side in white. Very, very easy and giving you that good vibe even on your accessories. The next thing I have here is the Choose Happy Elastic Hair Tie. Making sure you put a smile on somebody's face, and it comes in this retro cute colors, and it's Choose Happy. The next thing I have here is the Smiley Face Patch, and it comes in this felt texture. Very easy to use, and making sure you wear this with honor, wearing it as like a little badge on yourself. The next thing is the Screen Cleaning Mist. It is a spray, wipe, and cleanse mist for your electronics. Germ-free equals happy. The sweet treat of the month is the Belgian chocolate. It's a Moody Bars chocolate. It comes in 2 different flavors, the milk chocolate and the toffee crunch. And these are by Moody Bars. The next thing I have here, and this is the last item in the Care Crate for this month, it is a teacher tote bag. So excited about this item. It is a teacher's tote bag, and it says every day teachers change lives, and it's very easy to use, very accessible, and everything fits and so much more. Very easy to use everywhere and take with you, and you get to brag everywhere. And that is it for the Teacher Care Crate. I'm gonna hop right over to the digital downloads and show you what there is for the digital downloads. The first thing I have here is a weekly planner. This weekly planner is a Monday through Saturday with a to-do list section and a note section. Also has the smiley face as the background. The next one I have is a calendar with visible days for the whole month, and Saturday and Sunday section, and a to-do list and a note section as well. And the activity for this month is a kindness bingo. This kindness bingo can be used in your classroom, at home, wherever you choose, and it also comes in a black and white version. And it also comes with the bingo markers. The bingo markers come in 2 different designs. It's the smiley face and a smiley face in flowers. That is it for this month. I hope you enjoyed and are getting excited about receiving all of your items in the mail soon. If you are not subscribed yet and you would love to get your October 2022 Teacher Care Crate theme box, go ahead and click on the link down in the description box so you can get subscribed and receive yours in the mail as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!